1972 E-Type V12 Roadster. It's just stunning, isn't it? Oh dear, these things, no wonder they keep going up in price. So good looking. And this one's got the V12, what's not to like? I know the straight sixes always go for more, but I remember seeing one of these in our road as a kid, with those exhausts coming out the back, and it was just so cool. It had everything: the looks, the convertible, the V12, the jack badge, and they're still lovely now, aren't they? Always been a fan of these things, particularly in V12. So what a treat to see this one. Massively restored apparently in the 90s. Total nut and bolt job, I think, including putting a 5-speed box in, so it's probably just be able to use that lovely V12 a bit better. I think the original 4-speeds were a bit mushy, those boxes, but I think they put the gear tag in one, the German box, that sorts them out a bit. But oh, lovely.